Hello everyone, I am Ms. Shilpa Mayanavar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SG Balekundri Institute of Technology, Belagavi. Today we will be discussing about successive approximation converter, which is a part of module 5 from the subject analog circuits with the subject code 18EC42. Analog to digital converters convert an analog voltage to the digital output that best represents the input. As we have discussed in our previous video about digital to analog converters, analog converters are also specified as 8-bit, 10-bit, 12-bit or 16-bit. There are many types of analog to digital converters like single ramp integrating, dual ramp integrating, single counter, tracking and successive approximation. Today we will discuss about successive approximation type, which uses a comparator, a successive approximation register, output latches and a digital to analog converter. The figure shows a successive approximation type of analog to digital converter, with the heart of this circuit being an 8-bit successive approximation register, which is called as SAR. The output of SAR is applied to an 8-bit D2A converter. The analog output of the digital to analog converter is compared to an analog input by the comparator. The output of the comparator is a serial data input to the SAR. The SAR then adjusts its digital output until it is equivalent to analog input. The 8-bit latch at the end of conversion holds on to the resultant digital data output. So here EOC represents end of conversion and SOC represents start of conversion. The circuit works as follows. The MSB is initially set to 1 with the remaining bits set as 0. The digital equivalent voltage is compared with the unknown analog input voltage. If the analog input voltage is higher than the digital equivalent voltage, the MSB is retained as 1 and the second subsequent MSB is set to 1. Otherwise, that is, if the analog input voltage is less than the digital equivalent voltage, the MSB is set to 0 and the second MSB, that is subsequent MSB, is set to 1. In this way, the comparison is made to decide whether to retain or reset the second MSB. This can be explained with the help of an example. Let us assume that 4-bit ADC is used and the value of analog input voltage is 11 volts, that is VA equal to 11 volts. Let us represent the digital equivalent voltage as VD. When the conversion starts, the MSB is set to 1. Now the analog input voltage VA is equal to 11 volt and the digital equivalent voltage is 8 volts because the MSB is set to 1 and the remaining bits are set to 0. So it is 1,000 equivalent to the digital value of 8 volts. Now comparison is done between VA and VD. The analog input voltage VA, that is 11 volts, is greater than VD, that is 8 volts. The MSB is retained as 1 and the next MSB bit is set to 1. So earlier it was 1,000, now MSB, that is 1, remained as it is, and the next MSB is also set to 1 because VA is greater than VD. So from 8, that is 1,000, it is now 1100, that is 12 volts. Now again analog input voltage VA is compared with VD. VA is 11 volts, VD is 12 volts. So VA is less than 12 volts, that is analog input voltage is lower than the equivalent digital voltage. The second MSB is set to 0 and the next MSB is set to 1. So earlier it was 1100. Now MSB should be made 0 and the next subsequent MSB should be made 1. So it is 1010, which is equivalent to 10 volts. Again VA is compared with VD. VA is 11 volts, VD is 10 volts. So VA is greater than VD. So MSB is retained to 1 and the last bit is set to 1. So the new value of VD is now 1011. Earlier it was 1010. Now it is 1011. So now we can see that VA is equal to VD. That is VA is equal to 11 volts. VD is also equal to 11 volts. And here the conversion stops. So this is the working of a successive approximation A to D converter. So there are some merits and demerits of this type of converter. So first, the advantage of this type of converter is that the conversion time is very small, and also this conversion time is constant and independent of the amplitude of the analog input signal VA. And the disadvantage is that the circuit is complex. Okay, so this is all about successive approximation analog to digital converter. Thank you.